One should think that this opera terrace is connected to ground, but a large part of the opera is actually above water. When there is water, there can be corrosion, even in concrete structures. That's why we have cathodic protection. We have installed anodes on the seabed in order to prevent corrosion of the reinforcement steel in the whole opera building structure. These anodes, they will need to be replaced from time to time, and now we had a need to survey whether we would need to replace all of them, and we were looking at the cabling and in general a status now 12 years after the installation. So we used the Blueye drone for having a look under the opera building. And this turned out quite successful. We have a good view, and we now know how to work with the replacement work.